Hi everyone. So today we will see. So this is my existing Playwright project, right? So today I am going to create a few more tests for you guys in a simple way only. So today we will learn how to check the element is visible or not. Okay, element is visible or not. Here I'll create one more folder. Just new test. New test. Okay. This is the folder. Just mm, delete it. Delete a folder. New test. New test. Under this, check for element visible. Dot .js file. Okay, so this is my file. Okay, so I'm creating the test file now. So how to check the link is visible or not? I'm using this demo application. So orange open source demo orange HTML application. So in this application, we will see whether this link is visible or not. Forgot your password link is visible or not. Okay. How to write playwright script. Hmm. Constant test, right? So so we are getting the playwright test library. So playwright test. So in this library, we are getting the test file. Test check element is visible. So this is the format, right? We are using for the test case to write. So here you create the browser context. So browser dot. See here, we should get the new context, right? So we are going with the browser, right? Not page directly. So here provide the browser, new context. Okay. Constant page. From context we are getting new page. Okay. Now launch the browser. What is the browser? Wait. Now we are going with this element, right? Whether this element is visible or not. Go here and inspect this element. So this element, this is the element orange HR login forgot password. It is defined with class. We can go directly with this also. Hmm. So forgot password header right. This is also class right. Okay. See, one of one element is matching right. Pick this element. Have 8 page dot locator. Get this element. Okay. Now assign to one variable this element constant is visible. Is visible. Okay. So here visible method is visible. Visible of this method. Get the visibility of this method. If here if this visible method, if it is visible, then just try console.log element is visible. Okay, now this is our test case. So this we have one method in Playwright is visible. So it returns Boolean value, either true or false. If it is visible, this variable contains true. If it is true, just it is visible element. If it is returns false, then it is not visible element. Okay, run the same code and paste Playwright. Test, get the path, relative path, space, hyphen headed mode, no name, I'm running this test now. See, element is not visible. It returns false. So here we didn't put any condition, right? So the test case passes if it is visible or not visible. You need to write the try catch block to fail the test case. But just I'm printing with the console log. Hmm? This element should get visible. Just wait page dot wait for timeout. The execution is quick, right? Just I'm checking. See, element is visible. So I'm using Wait, okay, 2 seconds, because so when I don't use this one, right? So it is the execution is kick, it is like blinking and it is going away. But we are using the visibility, right? If the element is visible only, then it will identify the element. So after 2 seconds, the element is visible. Okay, here element is visible. Pass. I hope you understood, guys. Thank you.